in showing you how to make a bike. So let's begin. Now first we need to take a trapezoid and take a square and attach it to the trapezoid. Now we take two isosceles triangles and keep it to the side of the trapezoid and the square. Same we do it on the other side. Now we take one diamond and three triangles. We attach the diamond to one of the isosceles triangles, take the other three triangles and attach them to the diamond and the isosceles triangle. Same we do this too on the other side. Now we take two triangles and attach them to this like horns. Now we take 19 squares and keep it all over this piece. Like this, you need to make another one. I've already made another one. Now we take this and keep it on this. Now you lift it up. Now let's make the handles of our bike. For that, first we need one square and two triangles. We attach them to the sides of the square and take the other two triangles and attach them to the triangles. Now we take 6 isosceles triangles. We divide them into 3. First we take one pair and make a cone out of it. Now you attach one triangle to one isosceles triangle and another triangle to another part of the isosceles triangle. Let's make another cone and attach them to these triangles. Now you keep it on top of our bike. Here we have our bike. Bye. See you in the next video.